You look at the larger perspective, in every given society there are people who are not as competent as you are, they also need to be served. But we must also ensure that population does not increase. Hello? Tax-paying population should increase. Those who don't earn and don't pay tax and think they are free, when actually the rest of the population is bound by their irresponsible life. Hello? Yes, the rest of the population is paying for you. This came up, this is a huge debate in Isha Foundation at one time, because initially I also seemed to have this problem. When I first started the programs, I was very allergic to collect any fee. So, first 2.5 years, I spent all my savings and taught classes free. After 2.5 years, it got over. Then I said, see, pay for the expenses. We were so puritanical about this. Suppose you pay the fee, on the last day, we'll give accounts. The hall rent is this much, microphone rent is this much, carpets is this much, this much, this much, this much, and this much money is left. This money, we will call an orphanage or an old age home, somebody will come and we will present that, and we have not taken a single rupee. We were that puritanical. So we have come a long way. Not that we become corrupt. We are able to serve millions of people today only because there is an understanding that certain things need to happen in a certain way, not according to your ideology or your ethic, but in terms of practical sense, things need to happen in a certain way. Otherwise, nothing will sustain itself. One way was for me, after my savings ran out, I could have given up and gone back into some business or profession, make money and again come back and teach. Well, that would have taken away 5–10 years of my life. So I'm saying, everything has a tax.